Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my very first unboxing of 2023. I am super excited to share with you guys what I just picked up from Louis Vuitton. So if you want to see what I picked up, and it is an item from the newly released 2023 cruise collection, definitely keep watching. For those of you who might be new, thanks so much for checking this out. I'm a full-time working mom, but in my spare time, I love making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, in addition to a little bit of reselling and luxury as well. So if those kind of things sound at all interesting, definitely check out my other videos, linked below, and please also consider hitting that subscribe button. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching another video. Alright guys, so obviously I'm super excited about this first unboxing of the new year. I actually picked this up just after the new year when I was on vacation in Southern California. And it's an item that I definitely had my eye on. I will of course tell you the story once I unbox this item. And it is a brand new release of the 2023 cruise collection pieces. So super excited to share with you what I picked out. This is the first holiday packaging that I received, and I think now that we're well into the new year, they don't offer this packaging anymore. But this was their collaboration, I believe, with Lego, right? These are little Lego pieces. I know you guys have seen this. Because I picked up this item in Southern California on holiday, we had to bring this back. So of course I had to see this packaging, but you know, it's seen better days, as you can tell. But I think this is a really cool little packaging that they used for the holiday season. And of course in this bag there's not much except for my receipt, of course, and then I did just get 2 little perfume samples. So I really like these. I tend to just throw them in my bag when I'm traveling. It's just a really good individual kind of size here, so happy about that. So this of course is the holiday ribbon for this year, as I know you guys have seen on other unboxing videos, but it's super pretty with gold foiling of the Louis Vuitton labeling. And this is a true unboxing. Of course, I did see this item in store, but I have not unboxed it. I carried it back from vacation and really haven't looked at it at all because I wanted to unbox it here with you guys. So of course, they included their little blank gift tag here in case you did want to give it as a gift. I think it's a really nice little touch. I won't be using that because I'm gifting this to myself, of course. I'm going to go ahead and open up the ribbon here. Alright, so it is in our typical box. And let me pull the item out to share with you guys. So here it is. What do you guys think this is? Let me know. I will say that in the 2023 cruise collection, there's so many beautiful, beautiful items. I try to limit myself a little bit at least because, of course, I always really like new collections. So things are going to come out throughout the year as well that I know I'm going to like. So I decided to go with this piece from this particular collection. So let me just unbox it, then I'll tell you more about it. So what I decided to pick up is two-handled. It's this beautiful new denim jacquard Speedy 25 bandoulière. Look at that. So I love the look of this bag, and I hadn't really inspected it too much in store just because, again, I'm always kind of in a rush when I'm in there because I try to get in and out. You know, in the busy holiday season, it was kind of chaotic in the store. So this was the last one of these bags in the store. It's not currently available online, at least at the time I'm filming this video, but I know that there's some availability in certain boutiques when I checked it out. So definitely, you know, look for this in your local boutique if you're interested. But again, this is the newly released 2023 cruise collection denim jacquard in this gray denim jacquard fabrication or canvas. And it has the black leather trimming and handles with the silver tone hardware, which is pretty unique for a lot of Louis Vuitton bags. I think in general, most of their hardware is in gold tone. So I thought this was pretty unique as well for that reason. So this is the Speedy 25 bandoulière version. So of course it has the strap, which should be inside. Yes, it is. So inside there is this black leathered strap, again with the silver tone hardware. And the strap on these bags is adjustable, which I really like as well. And then it does come with a little dust bag, and of course this should be the lock and key that all Speedies come with too. And yes, it is. So just a really beautiful, shiny silver tone lock. And there are keys in here as well. Okay, so let me show you guys a few shots up close. Then I'll do a couple of mod shots as well for you. Okay, so here's the beautiful bag up close. As you can see, it's this nice black leather handles and trim. It's the puffier pieces here, which indicate the newer versions of the Speedies. And it's the Bandoulière version with the nice silver tone hardware. There's the LV on the zipper here, which is really shiny and nice. And it's one piece of the jacquard. So on one side it's the upright LVs, and it's one piece that goes all the way around. So on the back side they look upside down, which is true for all Speedies. You can see there is some washed effect where on this side the denim look is a little darker and here it's more faded. And I really like that because it lends to a more casual vibe of this bag, which really fits my lifestyle. So on the inside, it's the reverse jacquard, which I think is super cool as well. So on the inside of this bag, you will also see the stamping, and this particular item was made in France, as you can see right there. And there is one interior pocket here, which is zippered as well. It's a very nice zipper, as is true for all of these bags. So almost my whole hand can fit in here, which is really nice. And otherwise, as you know, with all Speedies, it's a big open pit. The zipper does not extend down like some of the other newer, smaller versions of the Speedies. But I think this is a decent enough size where it's pretty easy to get things into it. So one of the main reasons why I love this bag is I had seen the similar version that came out last year. If you're a Louis Vuitton fan like I am, or a collector, you will know that they released the blue jacquard denim fabric bag about a year ago last year. And I love that bag. I wasn't able to get my hands on it. I just didn't purchase it in time. And by the time I really wanted to get it, it had sold out everywhere. So when this came out, I knew I had to have it. I like the grays and black tones even better than blues, I would say. And you know, I thought it was unique with the black leather as well. Silver tone hardware in general, I don't gravitate toward, honestly, because I tend to wear more gold tone jewelry these days. But I think this silver tone hardware goes especially well with the black or gray fabrication. So I really like the look of this, and I thought it was a little unique. And one of my goals for this year is to try to mix my metals more. So I'm looking to maybe add some more white gold or silver tone pieces to my jewelry collection. So I think that this bag would go perfectly with that as well. All right, so let me go ahead and add the strap and do a couple of mod shots. So right now I'm just gonna leave the strap as is. It's adjustable. It has, let's see, 4 or 5 holes to adjust here. And it has little leather straps to hold down the excess pieces here. And other than that, it's just the typical Louis Vuitton clip onto the D-ring. So I'm going to leave it on the shortest length that it is currently. Super easy to attach here. And I am definitely a Speedy girl. I love Speedies because they're really practical. You can often throw way more than you need in here, and it's comfortable. I do like the look of the hand carry or arm carry as well. And with the Bandoulière versions, it just adds so much versatility where you can carry it as a shoulder bag and crossbody as well. I also like how they hold essentially the same amount as some larger tote bags, but it also has the really nice zipper closure, so it's more secure, especially for travel. So I think this is probably one of the most versatile styles out there right now. I do own 2 other Speedy 30s, one in the Bandoulière and one in the original version. And I also recently picked up a Speedy B25 from the Fall For You collection last year, which I will link below in terms of the unboxing video in case you're curious about that. So I'm trying to test out the new Speedy 25 sizes, which so far I do like. It's definitely not as bulky as a 30, which a lot of days is nicer for me. So once I test these sizes out a little more, I will definitely do a comparison between the Speedy 30 and Speedy 25s in case you're interested in that kind of video. All right, so let me just show you a couple of mod shots. All right, so I am about 5'4", 5'3", or 5'4", I'll say. And if I do it in the crook of my arm here, you'll see this is about how it looks in terms of size, which I think is super adorable and cute. I love the look of the Speedies like this. I think it looks so classy to carry bags like this. You can also, of course, hold it as a top handle. And then, of course, with this adjustable strap, again, it's on the shortest length. You can do a long shoulder, which I also do like the look of. And then this will comfortably fit crossbody, I think, on most people. So again, this is the shortest strap length right now, and I actually like how it hits a little bit higher up. I may lower it a notch or two if I wear this crossbody. But as you can see, it's pretty comfortable. The Speedies do stick out a little bit in terms of a crossbody style, but I don't mind that. It carries a ton, which I really like, and it's comfortable to wear. I think this leather strap is very comfortable. It doesn't really dig into my shoulder at all. So I think this bag will go with so many outfits, and I'm really looking forward to styling it as I go throughout the year. I think it definitely obviously has a casual vibe, and that works for me really honestly on most days of the week. So yeah, really excited to go ahead and give this one a try. So besides this Speedy, there are a couple of other choices available now in the current 2023 Cruise collection with the same gray denim jacquard fabrication. I saw beautiful on-the-go tote, which I was also tempted by. There is a Neverfull. There is the new side trunk version, which I definitely have my eye on as well. In addition to many different cool accessories and ready-to-wear pieces that incorporate this really cool denim jacquard fabric. So I really love this particular line. I think it has really a cool vibe. So I'm excited I got my hands on this piece. I may consider adding some other ones in the future, but for now I'm super happy that I was able to get this beautiful Speedy. So there you have it. That was my quick unboxing of my first 2023 unboxing for the year. I hope you enjoyed seeing this beautiful piece and hearing a little bit about why I decided to go for it. Let me know down below what you think of this bag and what you think of the 2023 Cruise collection. I definitely have my eye on a couple other pieces, so I'm always interested in hearing about what you guys think as well. Thank you so much for watching another video. I hope your 2023 has started out amazingly well, and I wish you all the best, of course, in the coming year. Thank you for all your support of this channel as well, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye.